So, you're a noob to fragrances. I think I can help you with that. What's up, everyone? I got a fragrance video today. I have a few fragrances here, 5 to be exact, that is cheap, reliable, and it's for you noobs out there that have no clue about fragrances. Number 5, we have Azzaro Sport EDT. This is a beautiful, fresh, citrusy fragrance for going to the gym, going to work. It's $15. It's very cheap. It's an immaculate fragrance by Azzaro, and it's a sports fragrance. It's very fresh, manly, masculine. It's a little floral. It's sweet, has a vanilla tone to it. It's very good for the price. I will admit, it's one of the best fragrances for the price, for only $15. Okay, we got number 4 here. David off Cool Water, the OG, the amazing, beautiful, herbal, green, fresh, citrusy fragrance. This is amazing, amazing. This is one of the top ones in my fragrance collection, and I have 150 fragrances. I have some that go up to $450, and some of them that don't. Herbal Fresh. Went through 3.5 bottles of this. It's only $25 at Walmart. Definitely check it out. Number 3 here. We got a sweet fragrance here for date nights, cozy evenings, whenever you're trying to go on a sweet date with your woman or man or whoever you are with. Here you go. Bound by Sapil. Sweet, citrusy cake in a bottle. Immaculate stuff. It's very high quality for $15. You can't get any better than this for $15. If you don't like sweet fragrances, this is not the fragrance for you. But I tend to love sweet fragrances. It's one of the best sweet fragrances for beginners for the price point. Ellis Aqua Extreme here today. It's very cheap, reliable, everyday scent. It's a blue shower gel with hints of tobacco, herbal. It's sweet, but yet blue. It's a little aquatic. I will admit, the sprayer gets very bad and it starts spraying out like this. Terrible sprayer, but gorgeous scent for the price. I got this for $25 at Marshall's. It's an amazing blue shower gel fragrance. It reminds you of Versace Dylan Blue, Sauvage by Dior, but it has a twist on it. It's a lot more spicy than a Dylan Blue, but I definitely suggest y'all to check this fragrance out for beginners. Alright, if you got around $100 on your price point and you're looking for a great everyday fragrance, YSL Myself. It's a great one. I get hints of citrus. It's supposed to be a bergamot, but I get more of a green apple. Florally, powdery, sweet, everyday scent. It's a little blue. It's kind of shower jelly with lots of citrus and more of a green apple. It's amazing. It's like a green apple Jolly Rancher with florals. Beautiful orange blossom note. This is great for beginners. I mean, it's an everyday fragrance, and I think it is one of the best YSLs ever created. It is definitely top 10 of my entire collection, and I've smelled thousands of fragrances. Definitely one. Alright guys, this is the best cheap but yet reliable fragrances for noobs and novice fragrance people like you. This is Xemp Curve. and I'm more of an expert on the topic, but yet, there you go. Bye, guys.